Hey YouTube family, Ryan's back here again, Ryan Joseph, 87. I'm just chilling today. Just got home a little bit ago from taking the kids to school, running some errands. I stopped by my local smoke shop today, so I thought I would do a Delta 8 review real quick. Stopped by and got this here. It's a Delta Boss 2,000 milligram Delta 8 HHC THCP. It does have your natural terpenes, hemp-derived Delta 8, hemp-derived HHC, hemp-derived THCP, and of course your natural terpenes. Well, let's try it out, guys. Let's see if it's any good. Let's check it out. I can definitely taste the strawberry. Nice terpenes. Man, this is a banger. This is good. Again, it is. Like I said it. Delta Boss Crazy Blend D8 HHC THCP with natural terpenes. The flavor is a 10 out of 10. The effects, I already filmed as I started hitting the cartridge a little bit ago. But it's great, guys. I mean, something I would definitely buy again. Damn. A little pricey, $32.99 at my local smoke shop. But if you have Delta Boss at your local smoke shop or anywhere where you pick up your Delta 8 products, gas stations, etc., try one. Try Delta Boss. It's smacking. Let me hit this one more time and I'm going to jump off here. I just wanted to do a quick review for Delta Boss. And it is my first Delta 8 review. So I hope everyone enjoyed it. Great time smoking. Stay fly, stay high. And let's keep on smoking. Thanks, YouTube family. I'm out.